Hey traders, welcome to a wrap up of Monday 27th of February. So we started the day with some selling pressure. The market had gapped down over the weekend, had quite a strong red candle forming on the daily chart. Looked like maybe the sellers want to have a bit of a go, and we certainly started to go that way. But just like a flick of a switch, these buyers came back in and just took control, and took control all day long, where we are now sitting right up at the highs again. But on this 5-minute chart, you can see here we've pushed up very consistently, quite a decent trend there of 14 points. So while even though it looks like the market's got great movement, like we talk about, we need pullbacks and ranges and multiple trends to really take advantage of this kind of scenario. So even though it's pushing up strongly, it's not the sort of thing we really want to see from a trading perspective. So once it did start to turn around here, what we want to happen then is for it to really pull back 5, 6, 7 points, and then from there get an opportunity on the buy side, or if it wants to keep on heading down, start looking for some sort of fades or something along those lines. So when it pulls back, then you got movement both sides, and that's when you can really start to get some great trade setups and some high probability setups. If the market keeps on pushing high like it does here and banging its head on this high, it makes it very tough to take high probability trade setups. So you can see once we did get there, no pullback really happened. Then had another go at going higher, sideways. So this is very erratic sideways movement. Went higher again. Then we had a bit of a downturn just right in the last hour or so in the afternoon. So as far as opportunities on the 5-minute chart, quite slim, just because all we had is one trend up and then very much sideways. Looking at the 1-minute chart, same sort of thing. On the 1-minute chart, maybe a few more opportunities when you look up at the end of this trend here. So you can see we've gone up through, we've got the 4 power points, so it came up yellow. But the market's pushed through that quite easily. Then we've hit this sideways movement. This purple here worked, even though, this is quite a tough purple take. We're very much in sideways movement. So once again, this is still a 50-50 trade. You haven't got momentum or anything really to take this trade based on. So it's probably one to be left alone. And you can see quite sideways movement. And then we hit this power point here. We had a little tiny bit of a sell-off in the afternoon. So slim chances, but that's a Monday. The market's still at high, so it's always going to make it tough. But keep your eyes open. There's definitely some opportunities around the corner. Hopefully, we'll see some better market movement tonight, being Tuesday. Alright, guys. Speak to you soon.